Well, what have you made this morning here? What you got going on?
Just gonna mount our winch to it. Trying to get them some holes.
So this is a homemade rig, or job, I should say.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna drill a hole to mount our pin through here to secure this.
Right.
That's what I done. I center punch.
So this right here is going to have the winch installed on it, and we're going to use this to help put pressure on that tree. Which tree is it today you're talking about? This one? Well, here's one that's the main event. If you can see it here. Got the cables in it. This tree, if you'll notice, is leaning pretty heavily over the shop and toward the house. So we're, I guess, going to attempt to try to get it on the ground with much luck. And as you can see, it's kind of over here near the tower, the CV tower. Yeah, and it's starting to bud out a little bit. It's getting springtime here in Alabama. But it's definitely going to be a challenge to get this on the ground. After today, though, Minuteman, he might need a house. Somebody might need to adopt him and give him some room and board if this lands on the house. You probably wonder, why would I not just bring him home with me? Well, he snores.
Yep.
Now, what did you say? There's a what now?
Cat in the trunk.
There's a dead cat in the trunk.
No, there's a dead cat in the car.
You're kidding me. Can you show us that dead cat?
Yeah, it's in the front seat.
It's a dead cat in the front seat.
Yeah.
We got to see this.
No, there's not.
Hey, Heath, open the door. Let's see if there's truly a dead cat in the front seat. Okay. You want to move that stuff around? I'll open the door. I'll do the easy part. Maybe he meant dead Cadillac. Well, we're looking at this tree some more. We'll get this on film, of course, if whatever happens, the good or the bad or the ugly. We'll definitely get this on film. You can see he's got it tied off over here on this tree. This hoist, got the pressure put on it right here. And then there's another cable too running over here. Running down here, way down here in the woods with the ticks and chiggers.
Back here.
We see it down there. How many pounds? 13,000 pounds. I don't think it's a name brand. It's kind of got a heavy cable there though. Pretty stout. I think weighs about 55, 60 pounds. Wouldn't want to tote that around all day. It's better get weight.
Putting it on that old D-wall. If it don't cut through it, it'll burn through it. Put a little bit bigger size, 9/16 in there. I think we'll have to go to a 5/8. But I'm broke.
You done broke that one there, huh?
Yeah, that makes 2 of them just in a few days.
I'll be. Come on, Jesse. Let me see what you see.
You think it's probably one of them off-brand jobs too, huh?
I'm sure it is.
It does say off-road now, 4x4.
Yeah, guys. Tree fixing to cut down. Here, I'm on.
Boat got a hole in it.
There's a branch. I
Oh,
found a
it's
branch
not
right
priming
here.
up.
Yeah, it's up there now. Usually about the third portion pull out on it. Reach out and hold that all the way down.
Okay, got you, dude.
It's probably flooded.
Okay.
This time flooded.
Oh, Husqvarna got flooded on us.
I don't know.
It's always something, ain't it, Daddy?
Yeah. It ain't been cranked, what, about a month now?
I don't know.
About the
You would
last
probably know before me how long it's been since it's been cranked.
You know, last time we was trying to get ready to cut this thing.
Right.
Something like that. Step to the top of the hill out where that roller's going on. And to make sure that cable is not crossways in that roller.
The old Minute Man, he don't give up, does he? Well, I'm just gonna be truthful. I was hoping that saw wasn't gonna start up. But looks like we're now gonna be cutting a tree for sure today. But I did find a problem down here. We got us a roller that's not looking too good.
And it's all kind of binds down there yonder. It ain't really in a, not really in a good pool. Yeah. It's messed up, son. It caught the block to the side and bent it over. We're gonna have to take this roller off and straighten it out. Slack up on it while we can take it loose here.
Well, Heath's gonna loosen up with that winch, and we're gonna take this pulley off, and gonna have to do something. Let's look back up this way where the cable is going to the tree. This tree.
I didn't know that's made out of like copper.
Copper or bronze.
That was a 5/16. Like it in the vise. May have to put a little heat on it. Yeah, soft.
Watch your legs.
Well, we got the old pulley in the vise, trying to work the kink out here in it.
No?
I have a feeling we're gonna have to maybe come up with a different plan. Plan B.
Put some heat on it.
Yeah.
Once we get it warmed up a little bit, let me find you a striker.
Is this the? Oh, this is the old Blue Ranch.
Blue Ranch.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Blue Ranch. All right.
I'd rather be out of the way.
Well, folks, I don't think this is going to work. Well, here comes Plan B. We got us a new pulley, and we're going to cut a shaft for it right here.
About what we need.
Yeah, maybe you should wait. Getting ready to tack weld that piece there.
At least you'll stay together.
You think it'll be all right?
Yep. I know that roller ain't gonna fold up on us.
Yeah. That other one just
That'll be there.
that was brass and it was soft.
Yeah,
Got
it
had a lot
wasn't
of
made for
pressure on.
nothing. It wasn't made for nothing real strong. Yeah, we'll go ahead and put this one back together. I'm gonna go in there and slap it back in the house. Put that bolt back in. Well, if it come loose, we're gonna lose it. So, but it probably wouldn't. Been a lot of pressure poured on that thing. What do you think about it, Heath? If we went into business, you think we could stay in business?
Oh, you'd be too busy fabricating stuff.
Well, the thing about it is, we could save money by building our own stuff, couldn't we?
Yeah.
Not time, but money. Heath, you're gonna be the star of the video.
$50-50 change. I had it right. All right, Don. Go down there and bump it and just tighten up on it, and we'll let you know if you get sort of snug. Well, you can tell it down there when it gets snug.
When this falls on the house, I changed the sheets on the bed, so you ain't gotta worry about that. Yeah. So you got clean sheets because you're gonna have a house after this tree. Hey, if it does, hey look, don't feel bad about it. You know you got a place to sleep.
Did you tighten it up, sir?
Tighten it up. All right, hey, did you tighten it up?
Did you get it tight?
What do you think?
It looks good.
I think
it is.
Pull a little more. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Hey, we got to see that again. Well, the old Miniman ain't gonna be happy about this. He done tore his ladder up. Look at there. And when it rains, it pours. We got the saw pinched in the tree here. See if we can get it loose. Yep. And now it's time to clean this log out of the road here. We ain't gonna be able to get no vehicles up here. Well, let's get to work. I was asked at work, somebody seen a video with this boom, wanted to know if Dale Whitley made this. What's the answer?
He could have helped sort of design it, you know.
He did?
I've looked at a lot of his convention, his inventions.
But you pretty much built this one yourself, right?
Hey, we ain't gonna, knock him out of it, 'cause he could.
Oh, okay.
Kind of help him. Pull it back a little bit.
Can you push up top while we...
You got to pull the top your way. There you go.
Was it coming out?
Man, we're having a hard time getting this boom out of this receiver here. A lot of weight up top. Maybe we'll figure something out here in a little bit.
Good.
Here, step out the way, fella.
Yeah, don't pull it
I
out.
believe old Heath's got it figured out here. Let's see what he
Hit
does.
the ground, come
I
on.
know, if it comes out, it's
And
gonna
then
get... Ready?
Be careful, Heath.
I'm playing. It'll get you, son.
Well.
Well, I guess he should have listened to Pawpaw. He almost got hurt there.
Get that all off. That's 40 pounds.
Okay.
Yeah, it didn't look like Heath had no problem at all with the little winch. He just bumped it right on over.
Hey, we did better with that winch.
But you know, the only problem of it is, though,
What's that?
that once you cutting one like that, you know, once it goes to starting, it's gonna go the way it wants to. That's the reason I kept that hinge in there. They call it so I got it.
I can't say too much about the Northeast though.
Well, there's the next tree that's got to come down. Not today, though.
We've had that ladder about 25, 30 years. Hey, it's paid for itself.
You think you can beat it back out?
Huh?
You think we could beat it back out? We can use it again?
Nah, even though the body work I've done, I don't think I can straighten that now.
Well, it's a rare thing to hear the Minuteman say that he can't do something.
I really dreamed it was gonna go a little bit further down the hill.
Hey, you know, one ladder, that's a success.
Yeah, that was affecting my antenna. I'm gonna get rid of this one over here too. But it may be next year. Good Lord's will.
I think what I'll do is I'll save up some money.
You ought to just get them tree climbers and shimmy up there and just cut it down piece to piece and hand it down to him.
There's a lot for me to sit on.
I got his number. I'm calling.
I told you call him.
Hey, I'll get on the ground. I'll catch everything you cut. I'll give you a hand saw.
We'll get up there and I'll rope them off and we'll hand them right down to you.
Hey, JC wanted to bust some wood, brother.
Look. Now watch out.
Get back out of the way, sir.
Look out.
See how it bounces out? Timers used to do that. Back in the old days.
Oh no, he.
Yeah. I ain't doing squat.
Well, we have a big mess here with this concrete. But we did bust it up, didn't we?
Yes, sir.
Hang on, Daddy. Let me
Be like over. I don't go Three Stooges. Put your head over. You're leaning
Oh,
it
yeah,
this
keep-
way though. There you go.
Here, I'm gonna put it right there. Go. Oh man.
I found a steering wheel.
I can't hit it with this roller.
Hey, bring that up. Where's it? Bring that sledgehammer over here now.
That one's rolling.
I'm not finished breaking this brick. Oh man,
You doing it, Daddy? Look at this.
That's the way they used to do it back in the 1800s.
Yeah. Minuteman.
25 years old. If I was there.
I'm 48 and you're 98, and look at you. You got it.
Oh yeah.
you know what that is? That's the new car brand. Made up.
Nice.
I can use this to
Well, when your car brand gets big, you just remember all those little people.
Well, I'm gonna go put it in the truck. That's what I'm gonna do.
Alright, well leave us the set.
That makes some pretty lumber. That's the reason I want to cut that one log right there. See if I can get Adam to cut it up. And some 1x.
Right.
And really, you know, that 1x dried out and the plane would be pretty in a bed of a truck, you know
It
it?
would be. I would like to have that.
Yep.
Yeah.
The old 50-year-old man gonna get this one. Look at here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Graphics not.
He's got her. Yes, sir. Well, when we cut the old tree, we actually meant for it to go a little bit further down east, southeast, but it went a little bit southwest. So, messed my ladder up. So, hate to lose old ladder, but we can buy us another one. We didn't tear up none of our nice looking Fords up here, though. That's the main thing.
I'm gonna help you.
We go from one thing to the next. Cutting trees, working on concrete. We might go make a cake here in a little bit.
I wanna break that piece.
Y'all want to go make a cake?
We got some stuff to do it with. I won't.
And I got to be at work here in the next hour or so. I go to work to rest.
Which one?
That tree right there would be a piece of cake. Won't be no
Well,
problem.
I'm glad you feel confident about it.
Yeah, I do.
It's like £1,000,000 leaning toward the
Yeah, but
downhill.
thing about it is, here was what we had on the oak tree. We had a safety cable in it with a 6-ton come along down there. So if something went wrong, all he could do is just swing around and land in that. He couldn't go into the house because it couldn't have went no further than that cable letting it go.
Unless that cable broke.
If the cable broke, yeah, anything could happen, But that's the reason I put that second one in it. But on this one right here, we'll put that one in it and pull it back that way. He said go back over towards that poplar, and we'll just cut it to go that way, and that way we won't have to haul so much brush out of the yard. If we cut it right up in here, all that brush has to be drug out.
Right.
And well, folks, that'll be for another day and possibly another video. Thank you, folks, for watching this video. And if you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you like this video, please press the like button. And also, if I'm not asking too much already, drop us a comment. We would love to hear from you. Until that next video, y'all have a blessed day.